morning and welcome back to another cozy vlog. I think today we're gonna do a vlog focused on some self-care because if you know me, you know I love a good self-care vlog. Now for me, self-care really just means focusing on things that make me happy and make me feel my best. I feel like it's very important to romanticize each season, but also acknowledge that there's things in each season that may make you feel a little bit not your best, and that's just the part of life. Fall is one of my favorite seasons. Nothing will ever change that, but I've been going through it recently and I would be lying if I was gonna act like I wasn't. So I figured today we would kind of get on the right track in my head and really get prepared for my move that's coming up, because that's what's been stressing me out the most, because there's so much stuff that has to get done before I move and also as soon as I get down to Florida. So I figured it'd be great to prioritize fall right now and really get into that fall spirit, that fall self-care moment, and really romanticize everything I love that makes me happy, because that's what's going to get my levels from here to here mood-wise. So of course we're gonna start off with some makeup, because for me personally, doing my makeup just makes me feel so much better. I love makeup and I just feel more confident in myself when I'm fully put together. I'm not saying that makeup has to be worn to make me feel put together, but it's just something that I like doing that makes me feel my best, if that makes sense, and it's kind of therapeutic to me. So we're gonna do my makeup and we are also going to fully get ready for the day, because whenever I present myself in a way where even if I'm staying home I feel put together, I 100% feel so much better about myself immediately. I'm kind of doing this day a little bit backwards because I usually go to the gym in the morning, but for today I'm going to be going to the gym later in the day just because I couldn't get into an Orange Theory class this morning. Sometimes the times for Orange Theory are weird and the only time I can get in a class that works for my schedule right now is at night. So we're doing things a little bit backwards, but I'm still going to be able to get in everything I want to get in, so it's okay. I'm kind of upset with myself because I missed my Friday upload this week. I'm going to try to get this video up on either Saturday or Sunday, but I was just feeling so overwhelmed and very under pressure, not with YouTube, just with like everything going on in life, that I felt like I just needed to take a time out because I was about to crash out. And I feel like something about self-care is, for me, being able to recognize that I'm really stressed out and that I need to take a time out just to kind of like regroup. I feel like that's something I've learned to do over the years that I'm very, very proud of myself for, because it's really not easy sometimes, especially because I'm somebody who just loves to keep going and just always do things. It's really hard for me to just sit still sometimes, and especially when I know, okay, there's this I need to get done, there's this I need to get done. There's just so many things that I feel like add up all at once, and I've learned over the years to acknowledge when it's too much and kind of take a time out, and that's what we're doing today. There's something about my makeup that just makes me really happy. I think it's just very therapeutic for me to be able to sit down for a minute and make myself feel good about myself, and also just put my makeup on my face. I really love doing makeup. I want to get better at makeup, and it's something that doesn't stress me out, so we're gonna prioritize it and romanticize it right now. Ironically, the one thing that does stress me out a little bit about my makeup is when my face looks orange when I'm putting on my concealer. I really don't know why this happens. I went to MAC the other day because I used the MAC Studio Fix foundation and I got matched when I went to MAC, and I did this back in December too, and she was like, nope, this is your color, you're all good. I feel like I still look orange. I don't know if it's just the way I'm applying the makeup. Maybe I'm just not good at applying the makeup, but if anyone has tips, please let me know, because I don't know what else to do at this point. I really don't. I'm not good at putting on makeup and I really wish I was better at it. I really want to be able to take like one of those master classes to learn exactly how to do my makeup, because I feel like that would elevate my style so much more. I want to do some blush. It is really cold here in New Jersey. We're getting hit with like a cold front. I walked outside this morning and it was 35 degrees in the middle of October, but it's really weird because last weekend I went apple picking and it was 85 degrees, and then I went to a game on Sunday last week and it was 100 degrees. I really want that fall weather. It's weird because the leaves are starting to change colors. It looks beautiful. It's giving autumn, but the weather, at least last week, wasn't. But I think finally, at least during the night and the morning times, we're getting that fall crisp air, and I'm really excited about it. I say that as I'm moving to Florida, one of the hottest places, but that's okay. I really do love the ocean, so I think it's gonna be a whole new experience to live 5 minutes away from the ocean, because even though there's oceans near me in New Jersey, it's like an hour away, and I just want to be able to wake up and go to the sunrise. It's really giving like Natalie, Lexi, Pinterest vibes, and I'm so excited about it because I would love to do some sunrise dunks like they do. I've always dreamed about doing that, and to think that that's actually going to be in my reality now is crazy. And it's crazy because if you would have asked younger Sam if she was ever going to move to Florida, my answer would have been no, because I'm such a fall girl, but things just have a way of playing out. And I don't want to make it seem like I've never lived in Florida. I actually used to live in Florida for 3 months of the year with my grandma. Actually, I would say like 2 months of the year, but I did live there for a little bit when I was growing up. My grandma had a condo and I would always spend my summers there with her, and it was really fun. I am really excited about moving. I think it's going to be a whole new experience that I can't wait for. I just think everything really needs to be in place, have a lot to do before actually moving, and we're in the 2-week stretch here. Actually, it's like less than 2 weeks, it's 12 days, but trying my best not to think about it, at least for today, because it's really stressing me out. I think for makeup, that's gonna be it. I do want to just quickly straighten my hair. Hair is another thing that I've really learned to just take my time with and really romanticize, if that makes sense. I feel like the number one things I love for like girlhood, for lack of a better word, is really just getting ready, because I feel like it's so therapeutic for me. Like even right now, I feel like this is so nice. Sometimes if I'm not filming, I'll listen to music or whatever it may be. I just find myself really at peace when I'm getting ready and talking to you guys, or just having a minute to just kind of like relax my brain, or just talk about what I'm currently going through and still appreciating the gratefulness and everything like that, because I know that things could be so much worse and I'm always grateful. I don't want it to come off as like I'm complaining. I'm just being real with you guys and showing you the parts that usually wouldn't be on social media, if that makes sense. I just feel like I've been very stressed out recently, and I'm trying my best to learn how to deal with it. I feel like I haven't done pin straight hair in a while, and I do want to take some pictures in a little bit because I love taking pictures. It's like my girlhood moment, so I do want my hair to look pretty straight. I'm gonna finish straightening my hair off camera and maybe do a little hairstyle, and then we will move on to my next form of self-care. I just finished doing my hair, and the next thing I like to do is pick out a cute little fall inspired outfit, and this is actually from Peppermayo. I feel like this is so stinking cute. I love it. It is a little bit cold today for this, but I love trying on outfits, and I feel like putting an outfit together just really elevates my whole style and is really fun for me. So I wanted to show these little cute outfits that I would wear to like a pumpkin patch, an apple picking farm, something like that if it wasn't as cold, maybe with some cowboy boots. Look at how stinking cute this is. I think it's adorable. I love how the back is open, and I think this is so cute. So I wanted to show this outfit, and I love how you can add so many different tops to the outfit as well to make it a little bit different if you did want to wear the top or the skirt separately. So let me show you my next outfit. Here's the next option. I feel like this is really cute, but again, a little bit cold for the weather right now, and I feel like this top can be really good for Florida as well, which is one of the reasons I also picked it out. But I also think the back is so cute and open, and I love it. I don't know, I think this is adorable, and especially with the skirt, I feel like it's just one of those good moments that I can wear it as a set or separately, which I really like. I also got these pants, which I thought would be really cute for Florida. I think they're adorable and like a beachy pant. Again, probably not something I'd wear right now just because it's freezing and I need comfort, and I think today I want to be more comfortable with everything that I put on, because I feel like comfy and cute is the vibe for today with some Uggs. But these pants are adorable, and I just wanted to show them because it is a fall outfit that I would wear, and I'm obsessed with them, and they're also a really nice material for when I go to Florida. So thank you Peppermayo for sending me all these pieces because they're so stinking cute, and I think I'm gonna wear this top or this top right here when I go pumpkin picking with my family. I'm gonna go put on something a little bit more comfortable, and then we're gonna go do probably some fall shopping because we need to do some type of cute fall aesthetic shopping in a self-care video about fall, because fall shopping is what really makes me feel at home. I just got done taking some pictures. I am somebody who loves taking pictures. I feel like it's like the peak of girlhood for me, and it makes me so happy. So I just did some pictures in my Peppermayo clothes, and I think they turned out so cute. I'm so happy with them. There's something about taking pictures with my friends or even individually that just makes me really happy, and I was listening to some music while I did it, so that was very therapeutic. Then I changed into my little fall outfit. I'm wearing this fair sweatshirt from Target, and then my green yoga pants. I forget where they're from, but they're really really comfortable and I'm obsessed with them. And of course, I'm wearing some Uggs just to really get into that fall spirit, especially because it is a little bit chillier out today. Right now I'm at TJ Maxx and Home Goods. I want to do a little bit of fall shopping. I'm not necessarily looking for decor and I don't necessarily know if I'm going to get anything for myself, but I am looking for self-care, and I also want to make a little basket for my friend Lizzie because her birthday is coming up. So I figured we can use this to look for a little bit of self-care, maybe look for stuff for my new apartment and also get some stuff for my friend Lizzie. So we're gonna go into TJ Maxx and Home Goods and see if we could find anything good. I really love fall shopping. I love shopping in general, so I think this is gonna be very therapeutic. Back home now. I just went to Home Goods and TJ Maxx. Let me tell you, there is all Christmas stuff out. There's literally probably like 3 to 4 aisles with fall stuff and that's it. I was able to get a few things for my friend, but not a lot. And the good thing is her birthday's not for 2 weeks, so I don't need to give her anything right now. So I do still have time. But I was surprised because I thought they would have had at least a little bit more of fall stuff. So the first thing I got, she's really into like skincare and makeup, and I found these makeup remover towels, which I thought was so cute. So I ended up getting her these little reusable makeup towels, and it comes in this little bag, which I think is so stinking cute. I got her this cinnamon roll foaming hand soap. I want to get this for my apartment when I move to Florida because first of all, it smells really good and it's just giving those like fall vibes that I'm here for. I got this candle and it's really reminding me of like fall anthropology. Look at how cute this is. It has the little ghost on it. Another thing is you can save the jar after you use the candle. I think after you use all of it, if you freeze it, you can get all the wax out and use it as a jar. My boyfriend's mom does that, so she could also do that if she wanted to, and it smells so good. I'm obsessed. And then this little basket for me to put the gift in. So definitely need a few more things. I'm hoping I can go to different stores and find some more fall stuff, but I feel like this is a good start. I also got this for myself. This is a eye mask that I really wanted to do tonight, and these are one of my favorites and they're only $5, so I saw this and I had them last year. I really liked them, so I wanted to get it again. That's everything I got from TJ Maxx. Overall, I still had a fun time. I got all of this stuff from TJ Maxx. Home Goods really had nothing. After that, I stopped at Starbucks and I got this pumpkin cream chai. I'm so excited about this. It smells so good. I also got this little container because I've been seeing this trend go around and I really want to try it. Basically, you put your coffee in the container and then I would take my phone and put that in the middle of the container, and then you put like little things in the container and it kind of like resembles everything that you love. So I was thinking if I do like my wallet, my phone, my sunglasses, and then my little road lipstick, that I could look really cute. I have to make it look a little bit more aesthetic, but look how cute that is. I definitely want to take a picture like that, and I didn't want to have my chai until I took a picture, and that just really resembles that I love taking pictures of everything. I think after this, I want to bake. I got some pumpkin bread from Target. It's like in the mix, so I think I might do that. It's a bit later now, and the number one thing I love doing when it comes to self-care or just as a hobby is baking. I love baking, especially during the fall and Christmas time. It's just another thing that's very therapeutic to me. So I have this pumpkin bread that I got from Target, and I want to make it, especially because it's fall themed, and last year I had this and it was really good. So I'm gonna put on a little fall podcast or fall playlist, and we're gonna bake some pumpkin bread.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise.
Batter is all prepped. It takes about like 10 minutes to prep, and now it bakes for 60 minutes, and then it cools, and then we add the icing on top. It smells really good.
And now there's something
I put it in the wrong oven.
Oops. And a sparkly shimmer on our skin. Restoring
It is a bit later now. My pumpkin bread just came out of the oven and it has to cool for a while, and it's actually time for my Orange Theory class. Personally, I love going to Orange Theory, especially on self-care days, and honestly it's just because it really gets me into a really good mood. I try my best to go at least 4 times a week. I'm not gonna sit here and lie, I don't do this as often as I should anymore. I do prioritize the gym, but not Orange Theory classes, and the reason I like Orange Theory is because it's hit for me personally, and I'm only speaking from my experience, but it helps the best with my PCOS. It's important to keep in mind that every single person's body is different, and what works for me may not work for you. But if you didn't know, I do have PCOS, and for me, HIIT workouts actually work wonders for my PCOS and helps me maintain a healthy lifestyle. So I really should be prioritizing Orange Theory more, even though I do keep up with the gym pretty regularly. I should be doing more cardio, but I was trying to focus more on lifting this year, and honestly I've been doing a pretty good job at that, so I am happy with myself with that. Honestly, running just makes me really happy. Sometimes I don't feel my strongest and it kind of gets defeating, which is honestly why I stopped going to Orange Theory as much. I was going through a rough patch with my PCOS, which I try not to talk about as much because it could be so much worse, and I'm so grateful that I was able to find something that works for my body and helps me maintain my levels a lot easier, but it's still hard for me, and I think 2 things could exist at the same time. I can be very, very grateful, which I am, and very happy in my life, but still be stressed out, still have a hard time with a syndrome that I have, and something that's never gonna go away because it's not curable, if that makes sense. So I try to always look on the bright side of things, but sometimes it does get defeating, and I just feel like sometimes, like I said, I need a break, and I did take a break from Orange Theory for a little bit. Not like a break where I didn't go, just like a break where I wasn't going as often, if that makes sense, but I'm feeling a lot better now. And one of my first classes back where I felt really strong was actually yesterday, so I'm feeling really good. I'm gonna put my hair up and take my makeup off because I never work out with makeup. I can't stand working out with makeup for myself. I don't like sweating at all, and I don't like sweating with makeup on even more. I have really sensitive skin, so I feel it instantly. So I'm gonna put my hair in a little ponytail. At least it looks straight, so it's like somewhat done. I'm wearing this shirt. I have no idea where it's from. I picked it because it's orange and it was reminding me of fall, and then I'm just gonna wear my same yoga pants from before. We're gonna go to Orange Theory. My class is at 4. It's 3:30 right now. I like to go a little bit early because I like to start with cardio, and it's first come, first serve for the treadmills. We're gonna go to Orange Theory. We're gonna have a good workout, and it's gonna be amazing. It's gonna make me feel so good. Okay, let's go to the gym.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection. Lights.
I just got back from my workout. The Orange Theory studio is decorated so cute for fall and Halloween, which I think is amazing. I love how they like bring the vibes of the season into the studio. They do this thing called Halloween Week. It's not actually called that, but I don't know if I can say what it's called, so I'm just gonna say Halloween Week, where basically it's workouts throughout the whole entire week that are really hard, and that comes the end of October. But the whole entire month of October is like leading up to these really hard workouts, and it's just really hard, but very refreshing. I wanted to update you guys and tell you that my workout was good. I'm gonna quickly take a shower and also put the icing on my pumpkin bread because it's completely cold now.